In this video, we're going to show you how to install a door seal on your Cadillac Escalade located on the driver's side front door. With the driver's side front door open, go ahead and we want to remove our sill plate right here. We're going to use our trim tool, go underneath the edge here and pull this up. Gently lift up, running your fingers along, popping up and releasing the retainers. There are metal clips, retainers across the bottom. Go ahead and set that aside. Once you have your door sill plate removed, come on over to the side of the dash and there is a little tab right here. Gently pull out on this. You want to remove this side cover. This has the same style metal clips. Set that aside. Next thing you want to do is just kind of pull out on this trim piece here that has the hood release on it. You're going to come around the bottom and work this out. So you're going to grab the bottom and reach around the back side of the panel and just pull forward towards you. Release that. Still has the same metal clips as all the other panels. Now let's go ahead and remove the seal. Now right here we can see a split in the seal. So we want to go ahead and grab a hold of the seal and start to pull this up off of the seam. Now as we pull this up, you can actually see a little plug right here and it inserts into this here, locking them together. Now this is simply pushed onto the pinch weld of the body. Let's go ahead and continue to work this up and off. We're going to do this all the way around the perimeter of the door. Before we install the new seal, I'm simply going to take I'm just going to use a glass cleaner, but you want to clean the pinch weld where the new seal is going to be placed and do this all the way around the perimeter. Now, if we're looking at the side profile of this Weatherstrip seal, here is a little nub that's going to interlock with the other end of the seal. And you want the back side to go onto the pinch weld, and you want this on the front side. So we're going to start and we're going to put that onto the seam and work forward towards the front of the door and then up and around. I'm going to go ahead and install this right in the general area where the other one was. There's actually a little mark here. Pop that on and just push this down the seam. And we're going to do this all the way around the perimeter of the door. And you can feel the seal actually bite down onto that pinch weld. And you can see I'm kind of bending the seal. And what happens there is that it actually opens up that part of the seal for the pinch weld and it helps you roll it on. Make sure you get them tight into the corners. As we come around here, what I want to do is get this into this seal here. So you're just going to kind of peel that up, insert that, and ideally that seal should pretty much butt up against it nice and tight. So line that up, pop it down. Now you can go back, make sure that that seal is depressed all the way. Once you get this sealed up and it's nice and tight here, we can now install all of our trim panels. Now I want to go ahead and install our kick panel first, the 2 metal clips, and then we have the hole here for the hood release. So we're going to bring up that hood release. Don't forget, you're going to have to close your hood after. Go ahead and line that up. Push that in. Install your side panel. You have your 3 metal clips here. Go ahead and simply line that up. Install your sill plate. Make sure that the logo is facing outward. Line up your metal clips with the tabs and simply press down. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.